Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, we're exploring some fascinating updates on Bitcoin. Let's jump right in. Bitcoin surged 6% from yesterday's low of $58,000, breaking through the key resistance at $60,400. We're now retesting this level, which might soon act as a support, setting the stage for further gains. We even saw a peak at $61,200. Keep an eye on today's FOMC meeting for potential market shifts. Speaking of the FOMC, experts are anticipating a rate cut ranging from 50 to 75 basis points from the current 5.5%. Historically, such rate cuts lead to increased liquidity, which often benefits Bitcoin. The market could see significant movement depending on the meeting's outcome. Let's talk about where we stand 150 days after the Bitcoin halving. Historically, this period has been pivotal. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin rose from $12 to nearly $130. In 2016, it increased from $650 to over $750. Following the 2020 halving, Bitcoin jumped from $8,800 to almost $11,000. This pattern suggests a bullish short-term outlook. On the weekly chart, we've just seen a green dot, which is a very bullish sign. Additionally, the VWAP is trending upwards, indicating potential for sustained price increases. This combination of signals is historically strong for upward momentum. Now, for those watching the trading heat map, we have two critical levels to monitor: $61,451 on the upside and $59,600 on the downside. These levels could trigger sharp price movements in either direction. With the recent price surge, the upcoming FOMC meeting, the trend observed 150 days post-halving, and these key technical levels, Bitcoin's future looks bright. Don't forget to watch the level at $60,895, which could propel the price even higher. I'm feeling quite bullish about Bitcoin's prospects. Let's see how all these factors play out in the coming days. Don't forget to like, click the bell, and subscribe for more like this. And see you in the next one.